Hey beauties, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to be doing the unboxing for May. Given everything that was going on, if you guys follow me on Instagram, you know I took some time off, but I'm back now and I'm ready to get back into the swing of things. So I figured I'd start with this, which is the unboxing, because I do it every single month and I want to keep up with that, and I'm pretty sure some of you guys are interested in what I received. So I will be unboxing both the premium box and base box here today. I just want to say first and foremost that it is okay to step away sometimes and just take time to disconnect from the world and just kind of recenter yourself, find your happy medium, and then you can get back going. So that's what I did. I took a little break, but I'm back and I'm excited to be back. So I figured this was the best video to start off with. So I hope you guys enjoy it. And yeah, with that, we are just gonna get started with today's video. So if this is your first video of mine, then you would not know that I am personally subscribed to BOXYCHARM and I do pay for my own subscriptions. Not only do I have the base subscription, but I also have the premium subscription. So I receive 2 boxes every single month. Now, I do want to cover some things as far as the month of May. Every single month in every box, we normally receive a postcard that has the description of the product name, and the price point for each. However, this month, or last month I should say, we didn't receive any postcard. So I don't have too much information on the products other than what it says on the packaging, or of course my own personal opinions on the items that I have used, which I will discuss with you guys as we go through. I will do my best to do my research and get price points for each and every product and have it listed in the description box down below for you guys, just in case you're interested in picking any of these items up. But I just thought I'd throw that out there as a disclaimer before we move forward. So we're first going to start with the base box. Again, I've used none of these products, so I don't really know how they perform, but I do want to share with you all what I received. I received first and foremost 2 eyeshadow palettes, which is kind of weird because normally we would get 1, but I'm not mad about it. The first one is Crown Pro, or Pro Crown. I'm not really sure how to say it or which way it goes, but this is the packaging. It is cardboard packaging and it feels very cheap if I'm being honest, but the color story is definitely up my alley. It's super neutral. You have some nice bronzy golden toned shades in here, neutral tones of course, and a little bit of warm and kind of cool tone shades as well. Again, don't know how the palette performs, but I think it's very pretty and something I would definitely gravitate towards, especially if the pigmentation on the shadows and the blendability is there, then it's golden for me. So I'm interested in using this. I haven't yet, as I've said, but it does look very promising. Moving on to the next palette is this Beauty Creations Cali Chic palette. This one definitely screams summer, the packaging for one. And then when we open it up in the inside, you do have a nice mirror. This one's a lot bigger than the other mirror, of course. And then you do have some beautiful shadows in here as well. This palette does seem like something I would use, and I feel like I have something similar in my drawer, but I'm happy that I received it and I can't wait to test and try it out. These colors do look perfect for summer, so I look forward to using this palette as well. And in here you do have 4 shimmers and 5 matte tone shades. Moving on to the next product in the base box, I did receive the Hourglass Vanish. This is their flash highlighting stick, and it's just a illuminating stick. I did get mine in the shade Rose Gold Flash. Now, one thing about BOXYCHARM, whether it's the base box, the premium box, or the Boxy Luxe, you do get a choice of either 2 to 3 products. I know the Boxy Luxe you get more than just one choice, but you get to pick one of the items in your box, which is kind of nice. So this was one of the one item that I did select for the month of May. So I knew I was getting this, but I didn't know what else would come in my box. So that's just something to keep in mind. You do have the option of choice when purchasing the subscription. So again, this is something that I selected. I knew I was getting, and I'm kind of excited to use it even though I haven't already. It has the same look of their Hourglass Vanish foundation stick, but instead of the I forget, like brown packaging, I believe, it's silver. And then when you open it up, it is this nice rose gold tone kind of highlight. Now you do have to be careful with this because it is super creamy. I went to go look at it when I first received it. I just opened it up just to see what it looked like, and when I went to go put the lid back on, I kind of smashed the corner a little bit, but it's all good. It still works. And again, super creamy just by swatching it. So it is a nice, again, rose gold tone shade, and I really do like it. Next, I have the No. 7 English Laundry perfume. This is the first time I've ever received a perfume in the box. It smells really good. I like the smell of it. Just gonna spray it. It looks like those little tester bottles, to be honest with you. You are supposed to be receiving 3 to 4 full size products. So I don't know if this specific perfume only comes in this size or if this really just isn't the full size. I really don't know. I'm going to have to do my research on that. I'll let you guys know in the description what I find out. But again, this perfume is something that I received. It smells really good. It's more of like that... it's like a feminine smell, but it's not like really sweet and strong. If you like really, really sweet scents, you probably won't like this. Has a little musk to it, but not in a manly way, if that makes sense. I like it. It smells great, and I'm gonna definitely wear it. For the last item in the base box, we did receive some nail polish. I've been personally painting my nails like crazy during this quarantine, and even though my state is technically not in quarantine anymore, the nail salons are still not open, so I'm still struggling doing my own nails. But I did receive some nail polish. These are the Deborah Lippmann Duo nail polish situation. The red one is called Fire on the Horizon, and it's just doesn't really look like that true red kind of color. It seems like it has a little bit of like a pinky undertone. And then the other one is Can't Stop the Feeling, which is very pink. I, again, have not used these. I will test them out and try them out. I'm kind of picky about my nail polish, especially because I suck at polishing my nails, but I would definitely give these a go. It doesn't hurt to have more polish in my collection. Now it's time for the premium box unboxing, and we are going to talk about each and every product that I received. I have used majority of these products. There's probably like one product in here that I haven't necessarily used, and I will let you guys know why that is when we get to it. But we're gonna just go ahead and start with the first item, which is this Too Faced Natural Matte Palette. I remember when this was first launched, I wasn't really interested, although I do love neutral tone shades and something that's like everyday wearable. I was never really interested in purchasing this, but it's kind of nice to have it in my collection now just to play around with it. I did use it once. I'm not really crazy about it. The formula is like okay, but it's not very opaque in color. Now again, these are like neutral tone shades, so you can create something like everyday friendly with this, but it just wasn't wowing me, if that makes any sense. Next is this liner. Now this is the product that I have not used, and I do not plan on using this. This is from Kat Von D. This is the Inkwell liner. This is their long wear matte eyeliner, and this is in the shade Lolita. If you guys remember a couple BOXYCHARM videos back, I did receive a Kat Von D blush that was in the shade Lolita, which was super pretty, but I'm not really into like colorful liners. I barely use like the black liners that I have, so I'm just not gonna use this. I'll probably give it to like one of my sisters or something, or my mother if they want to use it, or I'll just put it in a pile for donation or a giveaway possibly. But this is definitely not something that I see myself using, just because again, I don't really use liner as it is, and then colored liner on top of that is just really not my thing, so I'm not even gonna try. Next we have this Milk Makeup. This is their lip or glow oil lip and cheek. So you can use it for your cheeks as like a cream highlight, or you can use it for your lips just as kind of like a lip tint. I have used this. It is very creamy. It doesn't really give me any issue going on, and I have enjoyed using this. You guys might see this in an upcoming video, but again, it's very, very tiny, and I think this is actually a full size. I believe I checked this out, but I'll double check again and let you guys know in the description box. But yeah, very, very tiny, but very, very powerful. So for this next product, I wanted to love it, but it did not sit well with my skin. My skin has been a little bit on the sensitive side lately, and it's kind of driving me a little crazy, but I went ahead and applied this product and woke up the next day to swollen eyelids and a swollen under eye as well. So all of this was swollen. Hence why I don't really have any eye makeup on today, and I'm not wearing any lashes, just because this eye specifically is still in the process of healing. But nonetheless, if you guys do not have sensitive skin, I would suggest go ahead and give it a try. If you do have sensitive skin, I would definitely tell you not to test it and not to give it a try. Like just leave it alone. But this is the Skin & Co. Truffle Therapy Eye Concentrate. And again, I wanted to love it, and I wanted it to be like a staple in my skincare routine, but it just didn't work out for me. Smells good. It's not like a strong scent. It kind of has like that lotiony smell, and it is a little thicker in consistency, but when I did apply it, it did feel great. It went on and felt like very cooling, especially because I put it in my skincare fridge, but it just didn't sit well with me, so I will not be using this again at all. I wanted to, but I can't. Next, we have this lip balm from Sugar Rush, and I don't know if Best Bud is the shade or scent, or if it's Peony, but this is their lip butter balm, and as you guys can see, I've used quite a bit of this product. I really do like it. It goes on nicely, and I kind of alternate between this and the Laneige Lip Sleepy Mask to put on a daily. Now, this isn't something that you're going to put on once and it's going to stay on throughout the day. You are going to have to reapply it, but it does feel really nice on the lips, and I've been enjoying it. So the final product in the premium box is this Pure Heals by Nature Valley Centella 90, and I don't know how to pronounce the bottom name, but this is a serum that is basically designed for sensitive skin, and it's just supposed to help restore the skin barrier. So it's something that you can use in your skincare routine if you have sensitive skin. Now, I have used this once or twice, I believe like 2 times. I haven't been consistent with it to see any change or difference, but I'm pretty sure if you constantly use this product and use it the way that it's supposed to be used, that you will receive some kind of benefit from it. I cannot fully attest to that though, because although I've tried it about 2 times, I haven't been consistent with it. Like I said, there's just other products that I prefer to use at the moment, but this did not like give my skin any irritation or anything like that. Like, it's been good for me to use, so maybe in the future I might revert back to using this, but so far, like I said, so good. So I haven't seen any irritation with my skin, so I look at that as like a green light, and that I can use it whenever I want. But again, when it comes to like skincare products that are supposed to do certain things and target certain areas of your face or your skin concerns, one big thing is that you do have to be consistent with using the product. It's not like a one and done type situation. So just throwing that out there for any of you who are wanting to try this or using any other product and you guys feel like it's not working. Maybe it's not working because you're not using it properly, or you're not using it, you know, for an extended amount of time that you probably should be using it for, if that makes sense. But I'm no skincare expert, so that's just my little opinion. All right, you guys, so that brings us to the end of this unboxing for the month of May for both the base box and the premium subscription box. I know this isn't my traditional method of showing you guys the products and testing them out on camera with you all. This was just more so a basic unboxing, but I hope you guys can appreciate the video either way. Again, I took some time off, but I'm back. I'm ready to jump back into things, start filming fun and creative videos for you all. So if you have any suggestions, as always, leave them down below. I love you guys. I hope you guys are staying safe, and I will see you guys in the next one.